Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the simplest yet most effective exercises you can do: walking. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to start a healthier lifestyle, walking is a fantastic way to improve your overall health. It's easy to do and provides numerous benefits for your feet, legs, knees, waist, lungs, heart, neck, muscles, and more. Let's get started. Let's begin with a gentle warm-up to prepare your body for walking. Start by standing towel dot. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a couple of times. Walking is a great way to get moving. So, let's dive into why walking is such a fantastic form of exercise and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Walk at a comfortable pace. Focus on your posture. Keep your head up, shoulders back, and core engaged. This helps support your neck and back, reducing strain. Walking helps strengthen your leg muscles, which supports your knees and ankles, reducing the risk of injury. It also improves circulation, which benefits your heart and lungs by delivering more oxygen throughout your body. As you walk, swing your arms naturally. This movement helps to tone your arm muscles and improves your overall coordination. Walking is often overlooked as a form of exercise, but it's actually one of the most accessible and beneficial activities you can do. Here are some reasons why. First, let's talk about the health benefits. Walking helps to improve cardiovascular health, strengthens bones and muscles, and enhances your mood by releasing endorphins. Studies have shown that just 30 minutes of walking a day can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Walking is also great for weight management. It burns calories and can help you maintain a healthy weight. Plus, it's low impact, making it a safe option for people of all fitness levels. But it's not just about physical health. Walking can do wonders for your mental well-being too. It's a great way to clear your mind, reduce stress, and boost creativity. Whether you're walking in nature or just around your neighborhood, it's a perfect opportunity to disconnect from the daily grind and reconnect with yourself. Listening to music, audiobooks, or podcasts while walking can make the experience even more enjoyable and enriching. So, how can you get started? Here are some tips. Begin with short walks and gradually increase your distance and pace. Set realistic goals to keep yourself motivated. It could be a certain number of steps per day or a weekly walking distance. Stretching after walking can help maintain flexibility in your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injury. Walking with a friend can make the experience more enjoyable and hold you accountable. Keep things interesting by exploring different walking paths and locations. Walking with friends or family can turn exercise into a fun social activity. And don't forget about safety. Wear comfortable shoes, stay hydrated, and protect yourself from the sun with sunscreen and a hat. If you're walking at night, make sure to wear reflective clothing. Safety first always. Great job. You've completed a day of walking exercise. Remember, even short walks like this can significantly benefit your overall health. Keep moving and enjoy the positive changes in your body and mind. Thank you for joining this beginner walking exercise. Make it a part of your daily routine to reap the benefits. So there you have it. Walking is a fantastic way to stay active, improve your health, and enjoy the great outdoors. I hope this video inspires you to lace up your shoes and start walking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, every step counts,